In a previous video, I mentioned that I had a client who was splitting from his girlfriend after they purchased a house together, and we needed to help them split the property. In that instance, it was a joint decision that they both wanted to be separate and that his girlfriend was going to keep the house and he was going to leave. But I've had other clients where that's not the case. Where that is not the case, we have to do something called a partition. A partition basically just means that I co-own property with somebody. I no longer wish to co-own the property with that person, and so I'm going to ask court to either split the property or force a sale of the property, and we get to split the money from the sale. So a partition is the legal proceeding to do that. In that, you get to decide whether you want to ask the court to force a sale, or if you think the property can actually be cut in half, or by however many people own the property, you can ask the court to try and actually divide the property, and you get to be neighbors with your former co-tenant. If there's any issues that arise between the co-tenants, you've got a couple issues on what you can do. Some of them are certainly voluntary and by agreement of all your other property owners. We can, set up any type of contractual relationship with your co-tenant for anything from maintenance of the property, improvement of the properties, to even a voluntary partition where you agree with your co-tenant that you no longer want to be co-tenants, but you're not going to get a court involved. So you can voluntarily partition the property as well. Or you can both enter into a joint sale where you both decide that you just would rather sell the property and split the money. We've dealt with all these issues and anything under the sun regarding splitting properties. We're more than able to help anyone out.